This video is designed to show you how to use Sandbox to your advantage on the assessments in Python. Sandbox is located in CodeHS. If you log into CodeHS at any point, you would see the Sandbox menu or at least the plus sign to create a new Sandbox program. If you click on that plus, you are given options Java, Python 3, Carol, JavaScript, HTML. You're going to use Turtle. I often find myself struggling to be patient. Sometimes it'll take a little bit to load. In Turtle, you are going to always be given these 3 lines of code, forward 50, left 90, and forward 50. You can delete them. As you're taking the unit assessment, you may come across questions such as question number 1, which says, when the following for loop is complete, how many spaces will Tracy have moved? For I in range 5, forward 10. You may want to go in and you may want to type that for I in range 5, forward 10. And you may want to see what that looks like before you select the answer that best describes what has happened. And that is how I suggest students use the Sandbox. Eventually, you will use Sandbox to write code on future assessments, and you will save and share the link with me, and that will be down here. When you share, you're going to share either public. This will allow others to see your code run without the code, but for my class, you need to show me the code. So when I ask for a link to your code, you will use that share your program and you will show the code by providing for me the show code link, which is down here. You will copy it and paste it into the assessment. That's not going to occur on Unit 1 assessment. However, I thought I would show that to you in addition to showing you how to use the Sandbox to check your answers.